So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have 10 white balls, 9 green balls, 7 black balls. And all white balls are alike among themselves, green balls are alike among themselves, and black balls are alike among themselves. That means all the white balls are identical, green balls are identical, black balls are identical. So in this case, in how many ways can you select one or more balls from this box? So again, this is a question based on the topic of total selections. Total selections, when some of the things are alike of one kind, some are alike of the other kind, some are alike of the other kind, so on. So what is the formula for total number of selections? Total number of selections is given by P plus 1 into Q plus 1 into R plus 1, so on, minus 1 if you want at least one object to be selected. So the total number of selections of one or more from this box is 10 plus 1, 11 into Q plus 1 is 9 plus 1 into 10 into R plus 1 is 8 minus 1. That is equal to 880 minus 1. 879 is the right answer to this question. Thank you.